Did you know that you can create users of your application manually? Here's how to do it. On the top left, you click on the name and simply go to the Members section. Here you can create members or users within your applications. This function is very common to use in administrator applications, as usually you do not use an account creation screen, but simply the login screen. So in order to create a user, you simply click on Add a Member, add the name and email, the password, confirm the password, and click on Create a New User. You can create test users that you can simply use in the Apphive previewer, or you can create members in your already compiled application. That is, in your production applications, and this way you can start normally in your applications and the user will log in without problems. I hope it helped you. See you soon.